Hey, Greg Spindler here. Cranial Fundamentals for Wellness 1. After we learn the clearing, we go right into mobilizing the SBS mechanism. And that's right here where the purple bone meets the yellow bone, which is the sphenoid's the yellow bone, occiput is the purple bone. We're mobilizing that joint by holding the occiput and the sphenoid here. We're going through all the SBS movements, which is flexion, extension, side bends, the torsions, and so forth. And once we get done doing that, we do the clearing, the benefits of doing all of the lambdoidal, the sagittal suture, the parietal bones, the OA. We also want to finish up with what we call the SI Symphis pubis mobilization. So the SI joint is here, of course, where the sacrum meets the ilium, SI, and then where the Symphis pubis juncture is down here. So when someone is in a torsion, which is like so, you can see what it does to that Symphis pubis. If someone is in a side bend, which means sacrum goes to the side, then the Symphis pubis is also in a angle into a side. All right, so torsion, everything has got to have a reaction down into our Symphis pubis. So what we get to do with our client after we do the cranial work, anytime you mobilize this SBS mechanism, we highly recommend, and you get to learn this in our class, is mobilizing the SI and the Symphis. So all I get to do is take my hand, I'm going underneath and looking for that PSIS on the posterior side and the ASIS on this side, and I'm putting pressure in even pressure. For some people, we need a little bit of rocking, but it's generally just a hold until we feel a slight change, and then we come back around to the other side, and it's the same thing. Right hand goes underneath his left hip, ASIS on this side, and it's a push and pull, waiting for a change. Then we go into the Symphis pubis mobilization. So we bring the client's knees up. We put a yoga block in between. We ask the client to squeeze for 5 seconds for just 50% of max. And we're squeezing in. Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Press out into my hands. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we're going to change it to 6 inches. Squeezing in for 50% for 5 seconds. Go ahead. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just 50%. And then press out again. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we turn it to 9 inches. We want to widen the stance a little bit with the feet. On the count of 3, you're going to squeeze 100% for 1 split second. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now relax. You're going to do a bicycle kick with your legs. So pretend you're riding a bike. Yeah, up and down and relax. All right, that's a Symphis pubis mobilization. So that compression that we use the legs will allow a slightly different shift in that Symphis pubis. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in class soon.